How to transfer WeChat account to another phone, easy and secure transfer. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your WeChat chats from your old phone to a new one step by step. Don't worry, the process is simple and you won't lose any important conversations if you follow along carefully. Step 1. First, make sure that both your old and new phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is very important because the transfer won't work properly if they're on different connections. Step 2. On your old phone, open the WeChat app. At the bottom right corner, tap Me to go to your profile. Step 3. Next, scroll down and tap Settings, then select Chats. Inside the Chats menu, you'll see the option called Chat History Migration, or sometimes Backup and Migration. Tap on that. Step 4. Here, you'll get two main choices. Since we're moving to another phone, tap on Migrate Chats to another device. Now select the chats you want to bring over. You can either choose specific conversations or select all of them if you want the full transfer. Step 5. After making your selection, a QR code will appear on your old phone's screen. Keep that open. This is what your new phone will scan to start the transfer. Step 6. Now switch to your new phone. Make sure you're logged into your WeChat account. Then, open the Scan QR code option inside the app and scan the QR code displayed on your old phone. Step 7. Once scanned, the migration begins automatically. Just keep both phones unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi until it finishes. Depending on how many chats and files you have, it might take a few minutes. And that's it! Your WeChat chat history should now appear on your new phone. Remember, always use the same Wi-Fi and don't exit the app during transfer to avoid interruptions.